Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set up auto reply in Gmail address. Sometimes you are in vacation, holiday, and number of people are sending you email and you are not able to give it to some peoples as a response, so you can create your auto reply. So nowadays I am in holiday, I am come back so and so date, and then response your email. Enjoy your own holiday also. So how to set auto reply in Gmail? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply I enter my Gmail address here. This is my Gmail address. I enter. Setting option is this. I click the setting option here. In the display in the gear, see all setting. In general menu, scroll down bottom size and look at this here. Vacation responder options are come. Currently I am off. Just as a demo purpose, I on this reminder and which date you going to the vacation and where exactly you come. Suppose for example I select the 30th of May and my last date is 10th of June. I am coming there. Subject: I am traveling on work. Regarding the email, push me to text, delay response. Otherwise you can add here your own text. So suppose for example I add my own text here. Thank you so much for your email. Currently I am out of office. I am come back to 10 June 2021. During this period I have limited access to my Gmail address, and then save it. You can type here your subject: I am out of office, save. And nowadays someone are sending you email, he received suddenly a back reply: currently I am not in office. It's amazing tips and tricks. You can use these tips and set your auto reply email. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.